Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Xiaomi Redmi K90. Okay, we have two methods how we can reset our device. I'll show you both methods. First and the recommended method is a reset using the settings, and the second method is a reset using the recovery mode. Let's begin with the settings. It is really easy. Simply open them up, click on About Phone, scroll down until you find Factory Reset. Simply tap on that function. Remember that everything will be permanently erased from your device. So for example, before you erase your device, you can create a backup of your data. If you don't know how to do it, on our channel there is a video where I'm showing you all possible backup methods. So if you want, you can watch that video. Okay, now if you click on Erase All Data, your device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on again, and the next thing that you need to do is to set up your device. When it comes to the second method, reset using the recovery mode, we need to remember about two things. First thing is that if you have a screen lock set, there's a chance that after the reset, when you get into the setup process, the phone will want you to type that screen lock as a confirmation that you're actually a user of this device. Or you will have to sign in into the Google account into which you are logged in before the reset. I'm talking about the Google account that it's right in here. Okay, now how to perform that? We need to power off our device, so click power button and volume up button and select power off. To launch the recovery mode, we need to hold power button and volume up button until we see the logo. When it appears, simply release the finger from the power button but keep holding volume up. So start holding both buttons. When it appears, release the finger but keep holding volume up. And now we are in the Xiaomi HyperOS Recovery. To move around this menu, we use the volume keys. So select Wipe Data, confirm by clicking power button. Again, wipe all data, confirm. Now we need to wait until it's finished. Alright. Now select back to main menu, select Reboot, reboot to system. And now we just need to simply wait until our device turns on. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.